Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time, I think 6 to 7 months that I didn't make any video for you guys. Like, there are a lot of reasons because behind that. Like, we were moving to other country, and like I've been busy in some my education stuff. So now here I am for you guys, and hope you will like my video, and please keep watching. First, I will start with this. This is a Clinique Moisturizer Surge. I'm using this as my primer. I forgot to use the lenses, so I wore them behind the camera. Now I will prime my face with this. It's a primer infused from PS. It's a watermelon smell. Yeah, watermelon strength. It has watermelon strength. I'm using this for my eyeshadow base, and it's from NYX. And its number is MFS40W. So today I'm going to use Letter 183 eyeshadow tones palette. So first I will make my base. Now I use Jaclyn Hill palette for darker brown shade. Now I will use dark brown and black shade. Now I will use this Rimmel London Exaggerate eyeliner. It's in matte black, or its number is 001. Now I'm going to remove my these strips. Now I'm going to apply kajal in my eyes. Now we are going to move towards face. I'm going to apply 2 times my concealer for my foundation and also after my foundation. for foundation, I'm going to use these two, which is from Maybelline Fit Me 120 and from the Body Shop. It's in shade Bali Vanilla 20. First, I take 1 or 2 pumps from both foundations and then going to mix it and apply on my face. Now I'm going to apply one more time this concealer. And leave that for a minute or two. Now I move towards blush on. For shimmer, I'm going to use Huda Beauty Summer Highlight Palette. So I'm going to apply this brown shade. So here is my final look. Hope you guys like my video and please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching my video. Until my next video, bye.